Hey guys, it's the Kellys. I'm Lauren and this is Brian.
The whole premise of our channel is to travel often and pack well, and we're here to help.
Yes, we like to make videos about different reviews of travel products or packing tips, specifically to get into a carry-on bag only. We don't like to check bags on this channel. We like to prevent you from overpacking.
She does not like overpacking.
I'm very
and checking
passionate
bags.
about packing.
Militantly passionate.
We also give you guys travel tips and hacks.
When we're traveling, we also like to film. Lauren's been almost to 100 countries. When you're watching this, who knows what number she's going to be at. But our whole point of doing that is to show you guys how we plan our trips, how we get there, how we book things, because we want to show you that it can be done too. It's not to brag or to show off or anything like that. We're just regular people like you guys are, and we want to make this an opportunity that you can also explore as well.
We are not digital world nomads whatsoever. We live in Michigan. We have full-time jobs. I'm a hairstylist and makeup artist. Brian is a teacher, and we have a 15-year-old son, and we are busy. He does football and other types of sports and driver's training, and do we have time to travel? No, but we make it a priority. And with making it a priority, we came up with all types of travel tips and hacks so that we could travel more often. It's something we really enjoy doing together.
Right, we want to share those with you. If this sounds like a channel that you would be interested in following, I recommend that you subscribe, comment, and like our videos.
Yes, and if you ever have a question for us or therefore a video idea, then please comment down below and let us know. We really want to build a community here. We've gotten to know a lot of you guys already, so don't be afraid to comment. Also, you can follow us on pretty much every type of social platform that exists, like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, and Twitter. So go ahead and do that because it gives you a little more of a glimpse into our daily lives.
Thanks for watching.
Bye guys!
Bye.